Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off silent mode without using the buttons on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now there are two methods to turn off silent mode without using the buttons. For the first method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find this bell icon. Now to turn off silent mode, just tap on this icon and you will turn off silent mode. And if you want to enable silent mode on your iPhone, just tap on the bell icon and you will enable silent mode. For the second method, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just go to Sounds and Haptics, and from here you will find the option of silent mode. Now to disable silent mode, just disable this toggle, and if you want to enable silent mode on your iPhone, just enable this toggle. And by enabling this toggle, you will enable silent mode on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn on and off silent mode without using the buttons on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.